Hi everybody, my name is Jacki Kellum, and I'm not probably in this camera very well, but that's probably just as well too. But today is October 1st, it's a gorgeous day here, and I am launching a deep dive into Ray Bradbury's Something Wicked This Way Comes. And I've already begun posting a few things. I'm teaching this book as a book to write about to my college writing class, Comp 2, writing about literature. This is the novel I chose for them because I actually believe that this is a very good novel for any writer to study. It is literature, it is exciting, it's entertaining, but it's also a good book for writers to study. And I'm going to be showing my students how to annotate the book so that they can recall what they've read out of this, however many pages is, almost 300 pages, and pull it together for a paper. I hope you'll join me because all of this is going to be on links to everything I say and do will be on Facebook and on Twitter.